Hello everyone, my name is Johan Steyn. I'm an author, thought leader, and recognized as one of the top 50 voices in artificial intelligence globally. I have made it my life mission to demystify AI and delve into the tangible benefits it can bring to companies like yours. I'm psyched to chat to the brainiacs from South African-based company OQLIS in a series of super simple conversations unpacking artificial intelligence. We promise that you will have AI FOMO at the end of these talks and ask yourself, can your business afford not to invest in AI analytics? There are a few organizations in South Africa that deliver world-class technology solutions utilizing the new breed of smart technologies like artificial intelligence. OQLIS is a homegrown technology platform provider at the forefront of the AI race in Africa. Gentlemen, welcome. Andrew, please tell us about the driving force behind the company OQLIS.
Sure, Johan. So the driving force behind starting OQLIS was that what we saw is that at the end of the day, people want to make the best decision they can. And the way that they do that is they gather all the information around them, evaluate their options, and make the best decision. So typically, that involves gathering data, visualizing data, and then fundamentally finding insights on data. So our vision behind OQLIS was to create the platform that does that strategic decision-making end-to-end, all in one platform, delivered in the way modern technology is delivered to enterprises.
So just onto that, Andrew, so thanks for that, really our business wants to empower people to make impactful decisions. And that's really the fundamental cornerstone of what OQLIS is about. And we've realized that if people want to make fundamental decisions within their business, they need to be able to take the data, visualize it, and to automate it, and to apply some artificial intelligence on it that can make those decisions when a human cannot make those decisions. So really, OQLIS is an end-to-end analytical platform that gives insights and helps you make decisions, whether you as a person need to or whether AI-orientated bot needs to do it for you.
Now, there's a lot of noise in the market around AI, a lot of companies claiming to provide AI solutions. And when you look under the hood, it's mostly just smart automation. So Sean, what makes OQLIS different despite all that noise around AI?
Well, we've listened to our customers, and I think that's fundamental. There's a lot of hype in the market in terms of the silver bullet. Will AI or machine learning or business intelligence fix everything that you can within your business? We've realized that if you are on what we call a customer data journey, you need to take your customer from very immature, just trying to find his data or try to get up data into a space that can be that you can get insights, and take them through the whole journey. Take them to visualize that data, to be able to see what the environment is in looking back and saying, okay, well, this is where my environment is. Then being able to automate that data and make decisions on the fly as it's happening in real time. Then be able to look at the future and make decisions in terms of what is going to come and what they should be doing. So that's where the differentiator of OQLIS in terms of the market is. We supply an end-to-end solution for our customers. Looking at it from where they are in their data journey and making sure that they can jump into OQLIS at any one time and then basically use our technology to benefit their business.
So Andrew, despite all this hype and noise, give us a few tangible thoughts on how you've seen this technology benefit your customers.
Definitely. So there obviously is a lot of hype. So the market tends to view AI in sort of one of two ways. There's the Hollywood approach where the AI is some sort of general intelligence that exists in a robot and can do all these sort of sentient things. But what we find within our customer base is that our customers typically want to solve practical problems like, will this machine fail in the future or not? Or am I taking my sales lead and understand the characteristics about that sales lead and pushing it to a person within my company that has the characteristics that can best close that lead? So we've taken quite a practical approach to how enterprises will actually use AI to either automate some of the decision-making that they're doing or improve that decision-making. And I think the key approach that we've taken that's different to a lot of other vendors is that we view the enterprise data journey as a holistic process that keeps sort of cycling and repeating itself. And if you just focus on one aspect of that problem, you're not solving the full life cycle of the problem. So you've got to go from data collection, data storage, data visualization, action, AI, back into the real world to actually drive change within the businesses and the customers that you impact. So OQLIS allows that end-to-end flow to happen. Because if you just focus on one, you're missing out on all the others.
Amazing. Do we need to fear it, Sean, do you think? Or do you think it can be for societal good, this technology?
Well, I think, Johan, there's two aspects to this. One is history has shown us that people will abuse technology. I mean, that's a fact. Whereas there's so many benefits that AI can offer society. So in my view, there is going to be both of the arenas. You know, some people will abuse it. You won't be able to stop that. Hopefully our society will put certain disciplines in place that it won't happen. But I think there's more opportunity for good than there are for bad.
So despite all the hype around artificial intelligence, there are organizations like OQLIS that practically utilizes AI to help their customers on their digitization journey. It's not a technology we should fear. We can actually use it for good if we use it right. A lot of societal benefits despite all the hype that we hear around artificial intelligence.